Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, July 18 to Saturday, July 24, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Colgate toothpaste deal. You can buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. You can use $1 of Colgate digital coupon and use $1 of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Or you can, if you have 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB and buy 2 select Colgate toothbrush and mouthwash and get back $5 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $15.96. Also you can buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city, it's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. So the totals come out $24.94. Use 1/5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use $1 of Colgate toothbrush digital coupon and use $1 of Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Also in this transaction you can use $1 of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon has a limit 2 per household in one transaction. Also you can use $1 of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on coupon.com. If your store allow multiple coupon, you can use 3 Colgate toothpaste, otherwise you can use 175 cents of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. So the total coupon is $10.75. Pay or roll $14.19 and get back $10 ECB for the toothpaste and get back $5 ECB for the toothbrush. So the final cost is only just free plus 81 cent money maker. My next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21 city, it's $7.29 and use buy 1 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21 city, it's $7.79. So the totals come out $15.08. You can use 1/3 of 15 Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $4 of Neutrogena mystery coupon, it's printed this way. Use $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $1 of Neutrogena Wipe digital and use Neutrogena $1 of Wipe printable coupon on coupon.com. But that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $3.08 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.92 money maker. The next deal is Scenario 2. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. You can buy 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Foundation Tint $18.99. Also you can buy 1 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21 city, $7.29. So the totals come out $26.28. Use 1/6 of $30 Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $1/6 of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Tint CVS CRT. Use $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT and use $4 of Neutrogena mystery coupon, it's printed this way, and use $1 of Neutrogena Wipe digital coupon. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $6.28 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. My next deal is NYX Cosmetic Deal. Spend $12 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy two NYX Butter Gloss lipstick. It's $11.99. It's $5.99 each. Use 1 3 of 10 NYX Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use 1 $3 of NYX Cosmetics CRT. Use 1 free cosmetic up to $5. So the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll 99 cents and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $4.01 money maker. The next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB or buy 3 and get back $8 ECB. Its limit up to $8. So if you want to buy 2, you can buy 2 in one transaction, and if you want to buy 3, you can buy in one receipt in one transaction. So you can buy 3 L'Oreal Paris single eye shadow. It's $20.97. It's $6.99 each. Use $7 of $21 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $13.97 and get back $8 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5.97 or $1.99 each. My next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 6 per household. Buy 4 Revlon Baby Lip. It's $23.16. It's $5.79 each. Use 1 6 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of or Revlon or Almay CVS mystery coupon. We can get $4 of Revlon or Almay. We don't know right now, so just check back on the Sunday, but that coupon is available on the Sunday. So check if we get only $4 of the both, or we can get the 2 separate. So check on the Sunday. Also, you can use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $8.16 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.84 money maker. My next deal is Almay Cosmetic deal. Spend 12 and get back $4 ECB. This one has a limit 6 per household. Buy 1 Almay Healthy Hoof Gloss. It's $12.49. Also, you can use 1 $4 of Almay or Revlon Cosmetic mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Use 1 free cosmetic up to $5. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $3.49 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Select Sick or Skintimate Razor deal. Spend 15 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 6 Skintimate disposable razor. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Also, you can buy 1 Sick Hydro Skin Man razor. It's $8.99. So the totals come out $20.97. You can use 1 5 of 20 any Savecare CVS CRT. Use 1 4 of 2 Skintimate razor CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of 6 razor CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $7.97 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.97 or 99 cents each. But check back on the Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. If we get any digital or printable, that deal is money maker deal. My next deal is any Nexxus hair care deal. Spend 25 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 Nexxus Therapy shampoo 33 FL OZ. It's $26.99. Use 1 $6.50 or $15 Nexxus hair care CVS CRT. Use 1 $5 of Nexxus shampoo or conditioner CRT. Use 1 $5 of digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $16.50. Pay or roll $10.49 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just 49 cents each. My next deal is spend 25. If you have 4 of 18 and $6.50 of 15 Nexxus hair care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB, and buy 2 L'Oreal and get back $4 ECB. Both are has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 Nexas Therapy Shampoo 33 FL OZ is $26.99. Also you can buy 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoo, it's $8. So the totals come out $34.99. Use 1 $6.50 of $15 Nexas Hair Care CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of $18 any hair care CVS CRT. Use 1 $5 of Nexas shampoo or conditioner CRT. Use 1 $5 of Nexas digital coupon, and use 1 $1 of L'Oreal Paris digital coupon, and use 1 $1 of L'Oreal Paris hair care printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $22.50. Pay or roll $12.49 and get back $10 ECB for the Nexas and get back $4 ECB for the L'Oreal. So the final cost is free plus $1.51 money maker. My next deal is Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Clairol hair color, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use 1 2 of 2 Clairol hair color CVS CRT. Use 1 6 of 2 Clairol printable coupon on coupon.com. That coupon is no longer available, and use 1 6 of 2 Clairol digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $2.99 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. My next deal is Iris Spring or Soft Body Wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 3 per household, and it's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Iris Spring body wash, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Use 1 3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use 2 75 cents of Iris Spring printable coupon on irispring.com. So the total coupon is $4.50. Pay or roll $3.48 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.48 or 74 cents each. My next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. You can buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ, it's $22.49. Also you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe, it's $7.79. So the totals come out $30.28. You can use 1 6 of 25 Garnier Facial Care CRT. Use 2 $5 of Garnier Green Lab CVS CRT. Use 2 $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CRT. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.28 and get back $5 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $2.28 or $1.14 each. The scenario number 2. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. You can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer Balm 1.7 OZ, it's $13.49. Also you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Glow Boost Moisturizer 2 OZ, it's $12.99. These two products in my store, it's so out of order. If your store carry this product, you can do this transaction like that, because I have the CRT for this two product, but in my store I check they don't have. So altogether the totals come out $26.48. Use 1 6 of 25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $3 of Garnier Skin Active Glow Boost CVS CRT. Use 2 $3 of Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer Balm CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $8.48 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.48 or $1.74 each. My next deal is Speed Stick or Lady Speed Stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $5.50. Buy 2 Speed Stick deodorant, it's $5.50. Use 1 2 of 2 Speed Stick CRT. use to 50 cent of Speedstick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So the total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $2.50 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 50 cent or 25 cent each. My next deal is All and Snuggle detergent deal. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy 2 all free and clear liquid 36 OZ is $5.98. Use 1 tube of 2 all liquid detergent CRT. Use $1 off 25 cent of all free and clear laundry detergent digital coupon and use $1.25 of printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $4.50. Pay or roll $1.48. So the final cost is only just $0.48 or 74 cents each. My next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. Buy 1 Tide Pod 16 CTs $4.94. Also you can buy 3 Pantene shampoo, it's $15. Buy 2 Head and Shoulder, it's $12, it's 2 for $12. So the totals come out $31.94. Use $4 off $18 any haircare CVS CRT. Use $5 off 3 Pantene digital coupon. Use $2 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Use $4 off 2 Head and Shoulder digital coupon and use $2 off Pantene Head and Shoulder CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $14.94 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.94 or 82 cents each. My next deal is scenario 2. You can buy 1 Tide liquid 92 FLOZ, it's $11.94. Also you can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Also you can buy 2 Tide Pod 16 CT, it's $9.88. So the totals come out $33.76. Use $4 of $20 any purchase CVS CRT. Use $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon. Use $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon and use $2 of Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $19.76 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $9.76 or $2.44 each. My last and final deal is food deal. If you have 2 of 8 candy CVS CRT, you can buy 2 Dove or Kinder Bueno Mini and get back $1 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Kinder Bueno Mini 5.7 OZ, it's $8. You can use 2 of 8 any candy CVS CRT. Pay or roll $6 and get back $1 ECB. Plus you can get $1 credit for the Kinder Bueno in checkout 51. So the final cost is only just $4 or $2 each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.